Today we'll connect CockroachDB to Azure Event Hubs. I'll publish Kafka messages via CockroachDB's CDC to Azure Event Hubs, and then consume those messages to show what those messages look like. First, I'll create the Azure infrastructure. I'll be using Terraform for this. I'll reference an existing resource group of mine. I'll create the namespace, the event hub itself. I'll call it orders. That will match the table from which I'm publishing messages. I'll create an authorization rule that allows CockroachDB to do that. And I'll export the event hub auth URL that I'll use as the URL in CockroachDB. Let's apply that. With that completed, I'll create an environment variable that captures the Event Hub URL, and I'll URL escape the shared access key. Next, I'll run a consumer that will be waiting for messages from Azure Event Hub. I'll create an instance of CockroachDB, an orders table, and then a change feed for that orders table that publishes messages to Azure Event Hub. This can use the Kafka sync configuration, but just for this demo, I'm using the Azure Event Hub sync configuration. Now, any changes to the orders table get published through Azure Event Hub and are available to any consumers. You can now publish change feed messages to Azure Event Hubs in the same way you would to Kafka, webhooks, GCP Pub Sub, S3, and other syncs. Have a play and let us know what you think.